샌포로나의 5번째 아침입니다. 저는 8시 버스를 타고 지금 샌다칸으로 가는 중입니다. 거기는 제 말레이시아 친구의 고향인데 그 친구가 무슬림 명절을 맞아서 고향이 온대요. 그래서 5년 만에 그 친구 고향에서 만나기로 했습니다. 샌포로나를 출발한 지 7시간 만에 샌다칸에 도착했습니다. 여기서 말레이시아 친구를 만날 거예요. 제가 5년 전에 페낭을 방문했을 때 만난 말레이시아 친구가 있는데 그 친구 고향이 이곳이라고 합니다. 마침 또 이번 주 일요일이 무슬림 엄청 큰 명절이라고 해요. 그래서 그 친구도 오늘 마침 이곳에 도착을 했는데 그래서 지금 5년 만에 그 친구를 만나게 됐습니다. 과연 5년 전이랑 똑같을지 되게 기대가 되고요. 지금 대리로 이쪽 버스 터미널 온다고 하니까 곧 만날 것 같습니다. 야씨. Hey, brother. How are you? Long time no see.
How are you?
What happened?
What happened?
What happened? You're so old. Your family?
No, just my nephew. Take your mic.
Actually, I want to find Korean stuff in KK because I want to give your family some.
In KK already?
No, I try to find, but there is no. So, if you have
It's
time,
okay.
can you go big shopping mall? What
Jewel!
happened?
What happened? Nothing happened.
Am I look old?
Yes. What is this? Why you didn't shave?
The last time also I have. Last time, remember? 5 years ago. Yeah, 5 years ago.
So 5 years ago.
5 years ago. 2017. Yeah, 5 years ago already.
17.
Yeah.
Because
2017.
No, because 2 years we spent only at home, so 3 years.
Huh?
You understand what I mean?
No.
Because 2 years we've been locked down.
You mean so?
Yeah, so just when the 2 years. 안녕하세요. 이루는 말레이시아에서 왔습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Okay, so what did you do now? Because last time you were student.
Student, yes.
Yeah. Now
yes.
you have a job. So
Yeah.
please.
So I'm doing like something to do with law. My study is tourism, but now I'm working with law.
So
Yeah.
you study again about law?
No, I study tourism as well. I'm taking my doctorate.
Doctorate?
Yeah, doctor philosophy. Philosophy doctor.
My English is still same. Same as 5 years ago.
You know
so-
PhD. You know master degree.
Yeah, my study I know.
Okay,
Yeah.
after master degree
You got master degree?
already finished.
Wow.
And then
You study long, a lot.
Huh?
I mean, you mean not bachelor's degree?
not bachelor,
Bachelor and
and then master and then PhD.
So you got 3 or?
Now I'm PhD.
You still study?
Yes.
Wow.
Now I'm taking like the doctor title.
Doctor?
Yeah.
Doctor?
Yeah.
You want to be a doctor?
Doctor.
Really?
Yeah.
What kind of which part?
No, not body. Doctor philosophy. Someone who write book.
Philosophy. So this is one of biggest festival in here.
Yes.
Number
From
one?
Malaysia. Number two.
Number 2? And what is number 1?
It also but differently.
That one. The name?
Fitri.
Yeah, that one is number
Yes,
one.
number
And
one. This is number two.
Adha.
Yes. Yeah.
코타키나발루에서도 못 찾았던 한국마트를 여기서 드디어 찾았습니다. 여기 있다. 초코파이랑 김이랑 커피랑 고추장 이렇게 샀습니다. 라면이랑 소주도 사고 싶은데 무슬림이어서 그거는 못 먹는다고 해서 일단 제일 괜찮은 걸로 골라봤습니다. 일식당에 왔습니다. 여기 조카가 먹고 싶다고 해가지고.
I went to Korea to Andong
What?
for 2 weeks. Andong.
You visit Korea?
Yeah.
When?
Before I moved to Penang. A long time.
Before?
Yeah.
Before I mean
Yeah.
You visit Korea?
Yeah. Andong.
I didn't know that.
I told you.
Maybe I forgot. One time?
Yeah.
2 weeks?
2 weeks in Andong and
Oh,
then
really?
4 days in Seoul.
한국에서 먹던 일식이랑 완전 똑같진 않은데 지금 배고파가지고 너무 맛있습니다. 와,
You want?
야, 와 스시 오랜만에 먹는 거 진짜 맛있다. 와, I feel alive now. 여기가 바로 제 친구 이점의 집입니다. Hello. Hello. Your mom?
That's my sister.
A sister?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Yes.
What is your number?
Huh?
What is your number?
8.
8?
Yes.
You have a
I have 8.
8 siblings.
Yes.
Okay, hello. Selamat. Selamat. Hari. Hari. What was that? Please say again.
Selamat Hari Raya. But not
Hari Raya,
yet.
Hari
You
Raya.
say it.
Take off here.
Out.
Out?
Yes.
What is that?
This is my mom.
Hello.
How are you?
Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat datang. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for inviting me. This is small gift. It's Korean.
Oh,
Korean.
I will let you know later how to eat.
That's my father.
Hello. Selamat Hari Raya. Yeah. Where is you?
Find me.
This one?
Yes.
Very different. When is that? Long time ago. I think. Yeah, long.
Long time
What
ago.
happened to you?
That one is when I was high school.
High school. The house is very huge.
This is the kitchen. If you wanna drink, you can drink from there. You know, right? Then another toilet is here.
저는 지금 이점의 집을 나와서 저번에 코타키나발루에서 만났던 뉴질랜드 친구를 만나러 시내에 왔습니다. Hello.
This is Vincent.
I'm Vincent.
Hi, I'm Monique.
Sorry?
Monique.
Monique.
Yeah.
Monique.
Or Mon if it's easier.
Look fancy.
Wow, good? Yeah.
여기 분위기 있는데? 여기서 하루 머물고 싶다. If now is summertime, I want to go Australia and New Zealand. But now it's winter. So,
Definitely go in summer.
yeah. I heard November is good, they say.
Yeah.
저희 이제 친구들이랑 헤어지고 다시 이점네 집으로 돌아가는 중입니다. Hello.
This is my eldest nephew.
Eldest nephew.
Yeah, the number one.
Number one.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you.
I'm the gorgeous one. Nice to see you.
Yeah. Look similar age?
No,
Younger than
29. 29.
Yeah, similar.
You're 21.
How are you?
2 years similar. 31.
Not
Same,
similar,
same.
different. Not similar, different. This is fish head soup.
Fish head soup?
Yes.
Only head?
Oh, big fish. 맛있어요.
Oh, she's pronunciation is very good.
She's pronunciation is very good. 감사합니다.
Yeah, this is normal foreigner pronunciation. Yeah.
You want the soup?
You're very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to watch Korean drama.
They love it.
Can you speak
A
some?
little bit.
Little bit?
Such as 여보세요.
여보세요. Hello.
Hello. 맛있어.
맛있어? Yeah, yummy.
자자.
잘자. Good night. Yeah. I forgot. What is your number? I forgot.
No, this is my nephew.
Nephew.
Niece. Nephew.
So
okay.
confused.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's okay. First day.
Okay.
He's my ajashi. My ajashi. Uncle.
Yeah,
Yes.
he is other shit. Not
Yeah.
me. Not me.
So I call ajashi.
Not me.
That's why they don't call me uncle. They call me Upa.
They call me uncle?
No, brother. Because
Why?
we like a similar age.
Yeah, but the older is your uncle. In Korea, like this happen, they must call uncle.
Yeah,
Because-
actually my mom and my dad asked them to call me uncle,
Ah,
but
they
since
don't
we
want-
are like grow up together.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
아 지금 초코파이를 샀는데
Cho tay đi lên.
여기 돼지 젤라틴이 들어있을 줄은 몰랐는데 근데 누가 벌써 먹었어 이거. 이거 내가 여기 초코파이 설마 들어있을 줄은 몰랐네. 아까 라면은 제가 있는 거 봐가지고 안 샀거든요. But if no is okay.
If we don't know, it's like forgivable.
야 지금까지 바퀴벌을 못 봤는데 오늘은 샌다칸의 두 번째 아침입니다. Look like grandma. You look like grandma. Like this.
Rice inside the ketupat.
겉두빵.
Yeah, actually from leaf.
Yeah.
This is leaf, and then you need
Leaf,
to create,
coconut leaf kan?
아 코코넛 립.
Yes.
you need to create like this so that it can cook inside, and it feels so freaking delicious.
It looks very difficult.
Yeah,
Pie.
it's a tradition, Malaysian tradition. You can eat with soup. Sometimes you can eat with some curry.
That one is rice, and then this is the spices, and that one is the soup.
Yeah, every parents same.
Yeah, say the
So,
same thing. They don't want you
just-
to go far away.
Yeah, so just sometimes don't
The-
follow.
and every time I told my mom, you see Ijam, he did great things. He can go everywhere. He can travel everywhere. Then he got an experience to go to feel that, to see the cultures. I really want to see that. I don't want
Yeah.
to stick here doing the same thing, waking up to see the same places.
Yes.
Yes, we need to travel. We need to explore new things in life.
Yeah, because the earth is very big,
Yeah.
but one country is very small. Korea is very small. 저희는 지금 점심 먹으러 이곳에 왔습니다. 지금 2점이랑 2점 셋째 누나랑 또 몇째야? 아니 넷째 누나랑 셋째 애들이랑 너무 많이 헷갈려. 산다칸 시내 둘러보고 있는데 꼭 무슨 홍콩 같아요. 발코니에 진짜 빼곡하게 저런 빨래랑 화분이랑 이런 게 나와 있어가지고 건물 자체가 높진 않은데 분위기는 홍콩과 비슷합니다. 이곳은 세인트 마이클 성당입니다. 셋째 누나 린의 학교 안에 있는 성당이라고 합니다. 1888년에 지어진 엄청 오래된 성당인데 여기 샌다칸에서 관광객들이 오는 명소 중에 하나라고 합니다. 이것은 로타리 타워라는 곳입니다. 여기서 샌다칸 시내 전경을 볼 수 있다고 합니다. 샌다칸 시내가 다 보이네요. 오늘 날씨가 별로 좋지 않은데 그래도 올라오니까 좋네요. 여기가 샌다칸에서 되게 오래된 아이스크림 집이라고 하네요. How old this shop? How old?
Berapa lama nih cerita? Saya nggak tahu, 30 lebih tahun. 30 years ago.
이게 우유 아이스크림이거든요? 우유 아이스크림인데 제가 밀크 아이스크림 별로 좋아하지 않는데 이거는 꽤 맛있습니다. 뭐랄까 우유 아이스크림인데 막 그렇게 고소하지만은 않고 살짝 상큼한 느낌도 나고 괜찮은 것 같아요. 오늘 아침부터 단식을 하셨는데 이제 단식을 끝내고 식사를 하신다고 합니다.
Enam setengah uji.
Not finished. Amin.
Okay. You join.
Remember everything? You read or remember?
Remember. Some remember.
Very well.
Very long. Kapuru.
Kapulu.
Yeah, this is from Bugis.
Indonesian.
Indonesia.
Bugis Indonesian.
Pengopo. Bugis
Wow.
dekat.
What is this spice?
This is vegetables, and then this is apa kanji?
Sapu. Kanji. Tapioca.
Tapioca flour.
Tapioca.
Yes.
Tapioca.
And then chicken. We mix everything here. And then there's like some spices as well.
Something like a soup.
Yes. So this is tapioca and vegetable. So the main ingredient is tapioca and the vegetable.
Payah-payah baca kesian.
Is it okay?
Wah.
It's not first time.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
That first time.
I tried before. Yeah. But it's very hard because fall down.
Yeah.
Like this? Push?
Yes.
And only right hand.
Yeah, just right hand. Because
Kenal ba?
left hand is for our
Yeah. Indian also.
yes.
Yeah. I like this. It's similar. Like Korean food.
Yeah.
Jimdak.
Jimdak.
Yeah, similar.
It's just andong jimdak is a little bit spicy than this one.
Then this one also chili? No?
Chili, but this chili is not for. Yeah.
이건 조또 맛가살이라고 하는 국인데요. 옛날에 이점내가 그 식당을 했을 때 한 40년 동안. 근데 지금은 식당을 안 한다고 하는데 40년 동안 하셨으니까 엄청 오래 하신 거겠죠? 한번 맛보겠습니다.
Tak tahu. Kayak boy ditanya pula aku astaga YouTuber kat boy. Ah.
야. 아까 먹었던 맛이랑 비슷한데? 다 국이 셔가지고 what is this?
Pakai batangan. Rice.
Rice?
From rice, yeah.
The pack, plastic pack?
Yes. Tadi dia nampak kira memang buat. Oh, kira kamunya.
Ni siapa? Aku tak dalam esok saya tak.
Ibu yang minum sini.
여기 아까 밥 찐 것도 있고
Mary punya apa?
치킨이랑 소고기랑 라임도 들어갔고 뭐가 엄청 다양하게 많이 들어갔어요.
Abi sini, situ dulu lagi.
Eh, lihat kan.
Careful, be careful.